In this video, I will show how to fix and resolve and remove scientific notation from large numbers in Excel. So guys, if you want to enter a large number in your Microsoft Excel and you're not able, like this, once we enter the large number, and once you click on it, like here, you try to enter a large number, and once you click anywhere, so you will see this scientific notation. So to remove this notation, right click on it, format cells, number, decimal places make 0, then click on OK. So this way you can remove this scientific notation, but make sure Excel will not provide the complete number. Excel will show you up to 15 numbers, and after they will show you only 0. So thanks for watching.